Today we discuss the first chapter in F1 ACCA, that is a business organization. So what do you mean by a business organization and what are its characteristics? So let us take an example where few individuals are conducting an activity or some kind of business by themselves and they have reached a certain potential which they could have by working by themselves. Now they realize that they want to grow further, but they are not able to do it alone. And they then realize that if we all come together, we can be seen as a social arrangement because we are social animals. We have collective goals that all of us want to have a great business empire one day. We want to grow our business together. Number three, our business will be controlled by us. No outsider will be able to control or will be able to have a say into it. And our business will have a separate boundary from its own environment. So it will have a different existence. And this together will make nothing but a business organization. Now, further, let us try to understand in detail that why do you need this organization? So the characteristics will have given you a little bit of a hint of the benefits or why do we need it. Let us try to discuss on specific points and get a detailed idea. Number one, we overcome individual limitations. That one person cannot do everything by themselves, but if all the work is divided into parts and it is done by different individuals, it gets done faster, better, efficient, and gives better results. Number two, we enable them to specialize in own expertise, is that everybody can do what they are good at, they can concentrate on what they are good at. Probably this guy is good into statistics, probably this guy is good into administration and HR, and so on. Next, we speak about is simultaneous efforts will save a lot of time, and that is everybody is working on their own part as and how they have to work. They are not waiting for anybody else. So in a limited span of time, everybody gives in their own outputs and collectively saves a lot of time by completing a lot of work. Next, we speak about is accumulation and sharing of knowledge, and that is everybody will have something to share, something to offer. Every individual has something that the other does not, and that as a group you can accumulate and share a lot of knowledge which can be really useful. And last, and something that is very simple to understand, and that is synergy, where mathematically 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, but in real life, in real efforts, it says that no, the efforts of 2 together will give you an output of not just 2 but actually of 3. So this was a small introduction and a very small part of what a business organization is, what's its purpose, some characteristics, and why does it exist, so the reasons behind its existence.